a nap right here. This reminds Elmo of the word on the street. The word on the street is... What? Elmo will just lie around for a while. Talk amongst yourselves. Can you help? Elmo fell down. Can you help? Elmo...
Okay, quit abusing Elmo.
Better. It's time for Elmo's favorite song. Did you know that Elmo's favorite song? La 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 la, la 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 la, Elmo's world. La 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 la, la 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 la, Elmo's world. Elmo knows his goldfish, his crayons too. The three little pigs went and built their houses side by side. The first pig built a house out of macaroni. The second pig made a house out of zucchini. The third pig made a house out of pretzels. One day, a big wolf came by and saw the houses.
Get back up.
And he puffed.
Get back up, buddy.
To blow the houses down, like this. The pig came outside and asked the wolf why was he trying to blow the houses down. The big wolf said, your houses look delicious, and I want to eat them. So one pig said, well, you could have just said so. Then the three little pigs invited the big wolf inside, and they ate grilled cheese sandwiches. The three little pigs made a new friend. Emma was just Emma got maybe Emma will take a nap. This reminds Emma of the word on the street.
You may kill Elmo right now.
Emma got so excited he fell over. Can you help Elmo up, please?